Hi, to change system language of your Xiaomi Redmi 10, we need to go in the settings first. And here scroll a bit so we can see these tab additional settings. Now, after that, go in the languages and input, select languages, and now you can change language for your phone. Just scroll to see all of the available options, all of the available languages, and let's select something from the list, for example, Ukrainian. Just tap this language you selected like that, and just in a couple of seconds your phone will be translated to this language. So as you can see, my phone is in Ukrainian language now. And to bring back the previous language, we would need to go in this language section as we did before and find our first language from the list. Mine was English, so let's tap it to select. And now everything is translated back to English language. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.